Baby Lexie, do you have a riddle for us today? Wait a minute. You're not Baby Lexie.
I'm Riddle. I have a riddle for us today.
What's your riddle?
And when I do in pastures green, monkey time is when I'm king. What am I?
Riddle, where is your Lexie today?
I'm here.
Hi, Lexie. It's Lexie's turn to do Lexie's riddle. Lexie, we have some barns that are right next to you. Can you... Uh-oh. Lexie, can you get me the red one? Where's the red barn? Hooray! Good job, Lexie. Can you open it right up?
Mommy!
What did you find in the red barn? What is that?
Sheep.
A sheep. What sound does a sheep make?
Yeah.
Very good. I'll take that one. What number's on this one?
1.
Number 1. Okay, Lexie. Can you get me the yellow barn?
Yeah. Oh no.
It's okay.
Oh no, Mommy.
It's okay. I'll fix it. What's inside the yellow barn?
Ducky.
A ducky.
Quack.
A ducky says, quack. Good job, Lexie. What number is on that yellow barn? Number 2. Can you get me the blue barn, Lexie? Yeah! What's in the blue barn?
Cat.
A cat. Very good. What sound does a cat make?
Meow.
Good job, Lexie. What number's on that one?
8.
Number 3. Thank you, Lexie. Number 3.
1, 2, 3.
Good job. Can you get me the green barn, Lexie? No. Which one's the green barn? No.
That's the brown barn.
Which one's the green barn? Hooray! What's that?
A frog.
A frog. What sound does a frog make, Lexie?
Rabbit.
Ribbit.
Rabbit.
What number is on that one?
8.
4.
It's 8.
It looks like an A,
That's 8.
but it's number 4.
8, 9, 10, 11.
How many animals do you have?
Frog. Sheep. Cat.
Put them on the table. Let's count your animals. How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Count them again. Count them again.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Good job. Now, Lexie, can you get me the purple barn?
No, that's 2. They're so close. You got purple ones, but they're just in different.
Where is the purple one, Lexie? There you go. Good job. What's inside?
Doggy! Doggy!
Lexie, what sound does a dog make?
Woof, woof.
Good job. All right, can I see the purple barn? Put the cover back on the purple barn. Good job. Oh. Thank you. That's number
8.
5.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Good job. Let's now go to the brown one. Yay! What's in the brown one? Show me the horse. What sound does a horse make?
No. What? Put them on me.
I'm gonna put them on you.
Go here. Mommy, can you take that one for me?
Yeah.
I still have these on me.
Here, give me your hand. Okay.
And another one.
We need more, but we're not ready to do that yet, I don't think. Lexie, what number is on your brown barn? Six. 6. Good job. Can I see your brown barn? Thank you. Number 6. Okay, next I need the teal one. That's a hard color. Can you find the teal one? Which one is the teal one, Lexie? The teal barn.
Riddle.
It's a little bit green, a little bit blue. It's teal. One of these, Lexie, is the teal barn.
Do we always do teal one?
No, it's one of those.
Oh, I found it.
Yay! Good job, Lexie. What's in that one?
Oh,
What was in the teal one? The little chick?
the cocky.
It's a chickie.
Chicky. Oh.
What does the chicken say?
Chicken.
Buck, 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 buck.
Ba, ba, ba.
Good job. Thank you. Number 7. Okay, can you find me the pink barn? Good job, Lexie. What's inside the pink barn?
This is a ducky.
You think it's a ducky?
It's a pig.
It's a pig. What sound does a pig make?
Pig, pig.
Pig, pig, what does he say?
Oh, I'm.
Oink, oink. Good job. Can I have the pink barn?
No, may I have some fun?
May I have the pink barn, please? This is number 8. Okay, 2 more, Lexie. Where's our orange barn?
A bunny.
A bunny. What is, I don't know that a bunny says anything. What does a bunny do?
Hop.
Yeah. Thank you, Lexie. This is number 9. Last one. That's the gray one. What's in that one?
Cow.
A cow.
Cow.
What does a cow say?
Um,
No. What noise does a cow make? Ooh. This is number 10.
And when I do in pastures going, monkey time is lamb king. What am I?
If a cow says moo, I think that's the answer to Lexie's riddle. Yay! Again, friends of fun, if you had a good time today learning about farm animals and colors and numbers and solving Lexie's riddle, please give us a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of our videos, hit the subscribe button down on the bottom. And remember, the fun is out there. Go find it. Take care, guys.
This is Riddle.